Hi, in this video I will show you how to activate Netspend card without SSN. So if you don't have an SSN, what you can do in that case is just head over to your activation site, then enter your card info like card number and security code that you can see right here. Now just select an alternative ID. You can choose to provide an ITIN or another form ID instead of SSN. You can just look for that particular option. After that, you just need to fill your personal details like complete name, address, and date of birth. And then you should be able to create your account by setting up a username and password, and then review and submit it to activate your card. Alternatively, you can also try phone activation and call customer service. Just use the number on your card, provide card details like your card number and CVV, and request alternative ID like inform of prep that you don't have an SSN, using to verify your identity to give personal details and alternative ID info, and then complete the activation once it's verified. So that's all there is today about how to activate Netspend card without SSN. Hope we helped.